Hello guys, so in today's video I am going to discuss about how can you insert image in HTML. Okay, so for this you have to see my full video and please subscribe my channel for the latest update. Okay, so for inserting on one HTML file, first you have to find where your image file is located. Okay, so I am going to the file manager option and then I am going to the option local files. Okay, so after local files you can create one new folder here, or I have created one file here. So my file is HTML. Okay, so see, this is my file. Okay, and here two document is already inserted. Okay, so in this particular HTML file I have to insert my image file. Okay, so for this, see, this is my image file. Okay, so I have to insert this image in my HTML file. Okay, so I have to copy it and then I have to insert it into my HTML. Okay, see here, and I have to paste it. So this way you can insert your image file in your particular HTML file. Okay, so this way I have inserted. So my next task is I have to write the HTML code. Okay, for this I have to go to the option HTML file editor. Okay, so see, this is my HTML editor. Okay, so here I have to write the code of my image. So before that I have to write here my title. Say my title is image. Okay, and say I want to give the background color as BG color as yellow color. Okay, and now I have to insert my HTML code. So for HTML for inserting the image I have to write the code as img. I have to insert the img tag here, and after img I have to write here src. Okay, src is the property, and then I have to give here equal, and within inverted comma I have to write the path of the HTML, means image file. So where is my image file is located, I have to write the path here. But I have already pasted my image file in my HTML file. Okay, where my this file is also located. See here, this file is saved as a.html. So see here, file manager. See here, I am going to the option HTML, and then see here, in a same file I have already paste my image file also. Here a.html is also there, and image file image.jpg is also there. So here I have to write only the image.jpg. No need to write the full path, because both the image and my HTML file is both are located in the same file. Okay, and the name of the file is HTML. Okay, so क्या है यहाँ पे image and जो HTML फाइल है वो एक ही फाइल में, मतलब एक ही जगह में इंसर्टेड है, तो इसलिए सिर्फ ये नाम लिखने से हो जाएगा. ओके, नेम ऑफ द इमेज फाइल यहाँ पे लिखने से हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर image dot jpg. okay, this one. Okay, so after that I have to close this bracket. Okay, so see here, and here I can write some text also I can write, but now I just save it. Okay, my file is saved. Now I want to go to the option. So after that I have to go to the option, this file manager, and then a.html is my file. Okay, so after clicking there are lots of options are there. Open with, I want to open with browser. So see here, this is my image. Okay, so my image has appeared in my web page. So like this you can insert a image in your HTML file. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can comment me in my comment box. Okay, and if you like my video, then please like the video and subscribe my channel for the latest update. Okay, thank you.